Abusuafo mama kwa baba Miratech Academy. Mejidisi obi anwe na emeze mote menka che. Ready emesre mo fanche me na adwuma bi bae na ehia time party. Na I was say to me enyamre na yede yenwie yegusu adwuma no but emeze focus no ko adwuma no nso bebrea na ahadesua no nso kechi kakra wa ti we dey mesre mo fanche me try na ma multitasking on that say me ye we kakra na ma upload lessons kakra mesre on subscribe ya be subscribe to channel no be like na wa share nso ama me na enne ye lesson and a video for today no solving computer-related problems with pseudocode. But this time around, you be using decision making and branching. So, your first example, solving computer-related problems with just pseudocode. Just pseudocode. We focus on comparison operators, logical operators, but is here. Nyomana yesua kakra no decision making, that is if else switch statement loop ni nyina no be apply sa nyomana nyina was pseudocode ni algorithms ni mo ni ehun se de etie ti ebra men say mary started with your first example. Write a program using pseudocode to decide on the age of a person. Display your major when the age of the person is greater than 18 years. And the question is, intro program and I design a program be deciding on the age will be in fear wedi. That's in fear wedi ne 18 years and display and I ensure system no say nipa no major and I when sending fee ni eso chain 18 years nti yenhwe how you bet me a solve that problem way. First of all, you best start with algorithm. Nti start the algorithm na accept age because you be deciding on the age. Ti accept age and you check it on age no. Nti you check it on age na say age ni 18 na just say a display you are major. A display we are not end the program. I end the algorithm. No. Timpacho share steps now. 5 steps. Step 1 start the algorithm, start to end the algorithm. Now accept age, check, blah blah blah. And the how I be implemented was pseudocode. But examples now are solving in an if be any. But this time around, if I be tina make us say we no. The same examples, but then we involve decision making, if and if else no, and a branching loop statements no, switch then your manner is inti we algorithm how I be implemented was pseudocode. You best start with begin. You declare your variable name. Your variable name your age. Question now say you decided on the age of a person. Inti you be declare just one variable and I the age of the person. And the variable near age. But you can trace a variable a memory location. So if you know must trace a opeko and the variable na you declare near age and any data type. A numeric. This numeric. A variable near age. And the sequence na as algorithm step by step. And you declare we be accept the age. Now check is age in so change 18. And how normally involve use if statement. I don't know branching for decision making and I don't know decision making or branching. The branching is loops near them. And the if statement and just you are going to make a decision. And the if age na accept no so change 18 and bones we use it comparison operator greater than or less than. If age into bracket age is greater than 18, begin and display what you are major and near end the algorithm. But you did say and say share question na the algorithm ma solve it, and the pseudocode nso solve. Pseudocode no but we if you medical share pseudocode no wo ne syntax ana ne kasa de eka the tro sorry ne kasa the tro ti say we if you but obetimi akọ na makọ akosua I refresh your mind biom. Yen solve 2 questions. Yen the next one. So write a program using pseudocode to compare 2 values and display the biggest. Inti ye be draw program ye de be compare values mienu ni ahwe de so ne display. So yen algorithm. First of all, ye be start the algorithm and the constant. Ne accept first number. On say you compare 2 values. Since you accept the first number, ne accept the second number. You need compare the 2 numbers. First number and the second number. You compare. After comparing, you need display the bigger number. So first number no next one be display. So second number no next one be display. Now you end the algorithm. In the implementation into the code. Begin. Begin beba. You declare data type. We num1, num2. Data type is numeric. Okay. Sorry, let me confirm here there. Let me share age no say data type na numeric. Indeed num1 num2 you receiving numbers into data type is numeric. And so me declaring in our one line so because data type is the same. Though variable names you declare variable me but ni na kuta one data type ni na number until I'm declaring in our one line so share the next one. I'll say accept num1, that is this variable. Ni accept num2, that is the second variable. And see if num1 is greater than num2, begin display num1 and let's just say num1 we number way as we change number way and display num1. But what I say in the compare values na a display the soon. And he say num1 we ever say high 5 a high 2 and just a condition will be true because 5 is greater than 2. And they be display 5 that is num1 because I compare 2 values in who say we no na so 5 no num1 no na so na display and he me say we use a quiet understanding. And he what question be which media to Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube a comment section. Na ma try me bomo de na ma answer. Me pe say share one weekend live Zoom sessions am one abia. Na ya discussion kakra. But time ni favorable nti. Me bomo de ahwe na ma communicate on YouTube channel we na ya share time I able to me share me akasa no me home fa me kakra nti mo fa nche me stress a lot of stress nti so video we kwa me kasa no share danye but mo fa nche me na unsubscribe ya me stress obe subscribe obe share no like channel na mami na aboa me na aboa nso nti ye de na video no be si ha na ye beto aso on the next video. Bye bye.